Square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 equal to 1. We want to find x is what? First, we raise both sides to the power of 2. We know that a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now, say, okay, if we let's raise both sides to the power of 2 roots x plus 1 plus root x minus 1 whole squared equal to 1 squared, which is 1. Then if we use, let me call it 1, first identity, then we can say the first one squared plus second one squared plus 2 times first one times second one equal to 1. Now, another identity. A minus b times a plus b equal to a squared minus b squared, third one. We know that there are real numbers and each part should be greater than equal to 0. So this part. So we conclude x plus 1 should be at least 0 and x minus 1 should be at least 0. From this part, x is at least negative 1 if we subtract by 1. Here, if we add 1, x greater than equal 1, we should consider both of them should be satisfied, so x is greater than equal 1. Next one, if we have root a root b, it is equal to root ab, for a and b are greater than equal 0. Now, here, root x plus and fourth rule, root a squared is a. So, if you apply fourth one, root x plus 1 squared is x plus 1. The next one, root x minus 1 squared is x minus 1. Next one, if we apply this one here, we use this, it will be plus 2 times root x plus 1 times x minus 1 equal to 1. Now, if we apply this, now let me tell you, second identity, so at first let's simplify this, 2x plus 1 minus 1, 2x plus 2 times square root of, now if we apply the second identity for this part, it will be x squared minus 1 squared, which is 1 equal to 1. Now, we take these two x to right hand side, so 2 root x squared minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2x. And then, now in this step, we raise both sides to the power of 2. Okay, so we raise both sides to the power of 2. Let's write 2x squared minus 1 squared equal to 1 minus 2x squared. Left hand side will be 4 times x squared minus 1. Right hand side, if you have minus here, the only thing that changes here in first identity 1. So it will be 1 squared plus 2x squared minus 2 times 1 times 2x, okay? So left hand side will be 4x squared minus 4, right hand side will be 1 plus 4x squared minus 4x. So we can cancel this. We can take this to left hand side, this to right hand side. So 4x equal to 1 plus 4, which is 5. And then x equal to 5 over 4. Okay, now let's simplify this in our main equation to see does it satisfy it or not. If we replace it, square root of 5 over 4 plus 1 plus square root of 5 over 4 minus 1. Now, if we use common denominator, it will be 4, 5 plus 4, 9. And second one, 5 minus 4, 1 over 4. So it will be 3 over 2 plus 1. Let's check. Okay, we will see it will be 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. It's not. Let me tell you. 4 over 2, it's 2. Okay. It doesn't satisfy. So there is no answer here. The reason is what? If you check up to this part, if you replace 5 to the 4, in this case, 1 minus 2 to the x equal to, in this part, 1 minus 2 times 5 over 4, which will be 1 minus 5 over 2, which will be negative 3 over 2. And this part will be 2 times 5 over 4 squared, 25 over 16 minus this 9 over 16, which will be 2 times 3 over 4, which will be 3 over 2 here. After that, we raise to the power of 2, and the sign is not important. So we understand something, that 1 minus 2x should be at least 0 because left-hand side is at least 0. And here we reach contradiction. So there is no answer in real numbers for this equation. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell and like the video. Thanks. Bye.